Hey there, pet lovers! Here we share the best tips and tricks for keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and that means it's time to start planning those festive meals. And I bet you're excited to share the festivities with your furry friends. After all, they are part of the family too, right? Today I'm going to show you how to make some scrumptious, cat-friendly Thanksgiving treats that your feline will absolutely love. These treats are not only delicious, but also healthy and safe for your cat to enjoy. So let's dive right into the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. First up, let's talk ingredients. It's important to use fresh and high-quality ingredients to ensure the best for your cat. You'll need 1/4 cup of cooked ground turkey. Make sure it's plain and unseasoned. Turkey is a great source of protein for cats. 2 tablespoons of pure pumpkin puree, unsweetened of course. Pumpkin is excellent for your cat's digestion. 1 tablespoon of mashed sweet potato without any salt. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped parsley. This one's optional. Parsley can help freshen your cat's breath. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened bone broth. Turkey or chicken works great. Bone broth is nutritious and adds flavor. And finally, 1/4 cup of almond or coconut flour. These flours are grain-free and safe for cats. All right, let's get mixing. This is where the fun begins. Grab a bowl and toss in all those ingredients. Make sure to mix them well so that all the flavors combine perfectly. Stir it up until it forms a nice dough-like consistency. You want it to be firm enough to shape but not too dry. Now you can shape this dough into small balls, or if you're feeling fancy, flatten it out and use a mini cookie cutter for some fun shapes. This is a great way to get creative and make the treats look festive. Next, get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and place your dough shapes on it. Make sure to space them out so they bake evenly. Pop that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't overbake. Your kitchen's gonna smell like Thanksgiving, but for your cat, the aroma will definitely get their attention. Once they're done baking, let those treats cool completely. This is important to avoid burning your cat's mouth. And then, it's time for the best part, serving them up to your furry friend. Watch their eyes light up with excitement. Watch as they happily munch away on these festive goodies. It's such a joy to see them enjoy something you made with love. Remember, always use plain, unsalted ingredients to keep it safe for your cat. Avoid any spices or additives that could be harmful. Happy Thanksgiving and enjoy this special time with all your loved ones, furry ones included. Cherish these moments and make them memorable. Thanks for watching. We hope you and your pets have a wonderful holiday season. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to follow for more pet-friendly treats. We have plenty of exciting recipes and tips coming your way. See you next time. Take care and give your pets an extra hug from us.